Hello, good morning, my dear little champs. Today's our topic is parts of speech. Come on, let us learn what are parts of speech, how many types of parts of speech are there, what are there in briefly. Okay, students. All words in the English language belong to a word class, which is called the parts of speech. So children, we are using words in the English language which belong word class, that is called the parts of speech. Is it clear all of you? Now see how many parts of speech are there in English language. See the above picture all of you. There are 8 main parts of speech in English language. They are noun, pronoun, adjective, verb, adverb, preposition, conjunction and interjection. Once again I will repeat it. Listen carefully students. There are 8 parts of speech. They are noun, pronoun, adjective, verb, adverb, preposition, conjunction and interjection. Noun. Is it clear? Now let us learn what a noun is. Noun is the parts of speech, a person, place, animal or a thing. Noun is a name of a person, place, animal or a thing. Is it clear students? Noun means name of a person, place, animal or a thing. So let us see what are the examples of a noun. Look at the above picture. These are the examples of the noun. So name of a person, place, any place, name of any animal or a thing. See the above picture all of you. Who is he? He is a boy. What is the name of the boy? The name of the boy is Ravi. Ravi is a name of a boy. So Ravi is noun. So name of a boy or a girl or a man or a woman is called a noun. See the above picture all of you. What is it? It is a dog. So identify which is the noun in this sentence. Yes, dog is a name of an animal. So dog is a noun. Is it clear students? In the same way, see the next example. See the above picture. What is it? It is a red fort. Red fort. That is name of a building. Naming word is called a noun. Now is it clear students? What is a noun? Noun is a name of a person, place, animal or a thing. Anything. It is called a noun. Now what is the second parts of speech? We'll learn what is a pronoun. Is it clear students? Pronouns are the words that replace nouns. That means pronouns are used instead of a noun. That is in the place of a noun. Once again I will repeat it. See, pronouns are used in the place of a noun. Is it clear now? See the examples. I, we, she, they, yours, his, her, etc. Pronouns you are having the first person. I is the first person. It is used for single. You is a second person. You can be used for both singular and plural. Next, third person. Third person, he, she, it, they. It is used for singular person. Next, for I is singular. What is the plural of I? Pronouns we. Next, you. You in say singular and in the plural also you only. If for he, she, it, they are singular, what is the plural of THEY? They is plural for third person. He, she, it. See the above sentence all of you. Ravi is a boy. In this, what is a noun? In the given sentence, what is the noun? Ravi is a noun. Yes, in the place of Ravi, we will use pronoun. So now what is the sentence? He is a boy. Now is it clear what is a pronoun? Okay. So I, you, he, she, it, we, they. What are these called? Pronouns. Is it clear, all of you? Now let us learn what is verb. What is verb? Verb describes the action or the of the objects. Verb is nothing but a action word. Action words. See, what is the baby doing? The baby is clapping. Now, what is the action here? Clapping. Clapping is action word. That means it is a verb. Understood, all of you? See the above sentence, all of you. How is the boy? How is the boy's face? The boy is smiling. So, smiling is action word. That means it is a verb. Is it clear, all of you? Look at the above sentence, all of you. Amit is sleeping. What is a verb? Sleeping is a verb. Sleeping means it is an action word. Action word, nothing but a verb. Okay, is it clear, students? There are two types of verbs. First one is helping verb. Second one is main verb. Helping verbs are is, was, am, were, has, had, etc. And what are main verbs? Raining, playing, running, sleeping, clapping, jumping, etc. Is it clear the difference between helping verbs and main verbs? Helping verbs are not the main verbs, and action words are main verbs. See the above examples, all of you. See the first sentence. I am a student. In this sentence, what is a helping verb? Am. Am is a helping verb. In the first sentence, there is only a helping verb. There is no main verb. See the second sentence. He is eating an ice cream. Once again, I will repeat the sentence. Listen carefully. He is eating an ice cream. In the second sentence, there is a helping verb as well as a main verb. What is the helping verb? Is helping verb. What is the main verb? Eating. Eating is the action. It is the main verb. Is it clear the difference between helping verb and a main verb? So, all of you have to learn the parts of speech. Okay. So, in today's class, what did you learn? Parts of speech. What is a noun? What is a pronoun? And what is a verb? Is it clear, no, all of you? Let us learn the remaining parts of speech in the next video. Have a nice day.